To our channel Mechanical Stream, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in this video we are going to discuss the various job opportunity available in one of the multinational company. Friend, the job opportunities available across all India location, and the job opportunities available for the freshers as well as experienced professionals, and the job opportunities available for all the engineering branches. So friend, please watch the video complete to know regarding the various job names, what are the job eligibility, and how you can apply. So let's start the video. So, friend, the company name is Procter and Gamble, which is also known as a P&G. And friend, it is a very popular brand, and you have seen their products everywhere in your home and and in the various malls. So, friend, here you can see they are having very brands like in the baby care segment, they are having, you can see Pampers, and you can see various brands are given. Then you can see in the fabric care they are having Ariel, Bounce, Cheer, and many more brands are given. And friend, you can know regarding this company by visiting their website if you want more details. So friend, let's check what are the job opportunities they are having. So friend, here you can see we are at the official career page of the Procter and Gamble company. And friend, in the top you can see currently we have selected the country as India, and you can see below multiple job opportunities are given. So you can see multiple job opportunities are given for the brand manager for the Mumbai location. Then you can see manager for the Goa. Then you can see consumer innovation for the Mumbai. Then beauty consumer innovation. Then IT manager, emerging lead. And then you can see then product research associate scientist, AI engineer, which is artificial intelligence engineer. Then you can see IT manager job opportunities. Then you can see government relation. Then channel trial manager, data engineer. So various job opportunities are given. You can check. And friend, we are going to check the some of the job opportunity. So let's check it. So friend, we are going to check the first job opportunity, that is a marketing technologist. And friend, here you can see regarding the company is given in the top, like Procter and Gamble was founded over 180 years ago. So friend, it is a very old company, and it is a very big organization. So here you can see for this role they are having here a qualification, that is a bachelor or master degree in business management, information system, or computer or system, or industrial engineering, computer science, business analytics, data science, operation research, or science statistics. So these are the job means various branches are eligible for this job opportunity. So you can see here strong written and verbal communication skill is required, able to balance multiple priorities, good social skills, self-motivated and dynamic, strong enthusiasm and curiosity about the intersection of business, turning insight into actionable recommendation. Then you must be adept the demonstrating technologies for solving ad hoc business problems, innovating or potential future solutions. And you should have a very good understanding of digital marketing and ad tech ecosystem, should be able to leverage a technology to drive awareness and generate leads across digital media channel. So here you can see some technical skills requirement is given, like research and recommend new marketing technology products, evaluate emerging technologies, discover trends and insights, play a product manager role, brainstorm new and creative growth, train and support marketing team, plan and execute and measure experiments. Then collaborate with the internal team, leverage strong analytical ability. So you can see various points are given, and how you can apply we will discuss later at the end of the video. So friend, let's check the second job opportunity, that is a product research associate scientist. So here you can see roles and responsibilities are mentioned, like you have to develop the understanding of fundamental relationship between technical properties to consumer response, contribute to experiment design, conduct a detailed analysis and summary of research and experimentation. You can see the requirement is given, like bachelor's or master or doctoral degree in science or engineering, consumer market, research analytical, their behavior science or related field is required. And friend, these job opportunities are available for the experienced professional. You can see 5 to 10 years of experience are required. So friend, before going to the check the job opportunity which is available for the freshers as well as the experienced professional, friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream to receive the notification of our latest video. And friend, also please like and share this video with your friend so that everyone can get the advantage of this video. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream so that you can receive the notification once I publish the video, and you can apply for the job before the job application expire or end. So friend, let's check the job opportunity which is available for the freshers as well as the experienced professional. So friend, the post name is a product supply chain manager, and here you can see your role is given as a product supply chain manager. You will have to the opportunity to discover Procter and Gamble's technology and standards, which are worldly recognized, and they help you to build your capabilities through the job experience, mentoring, and training. So here you can see some of the functions you need to do given. So first is a manufacturing process engineer. So you have to lead a team for loss identification and elimination across global measures by developing process and organization capability using various manufacturing tools. You have to lead standardization, changes on equipment, and process validation. You have to build the capability of process failure and technical troubleshootings. Daily direction setting process, reducing overall cost and driving productivity projects, and be the information hub for all the project and product development, and coordinate capital projects across the all function and teams. And you have to demonstrate leadership in application of technology to tackle manufacturing problems. You have to design process to build a best in class manufacturing capability. You have to drive speed to market production innovation. So friend, these are the requirement is given. So you can see in the product supply planning, you have to do the planning and execution of supply chain strategies, and you have to manage a team of raw packed material and finished goods. You have to lead cost saving and supply chain redesign projects, and you have to coordinate for distribution requirement, reduce physical distribution cost. Then you can see what they will offer you if you are the employee of the Procter and Gamble. So you can see a wide range of challenging manufacturing engineer assignments, opportunity to for you to develop a state art of the technologies, travel opportunities to the project location to see your design, and continuously coaching, dynamic, respectful, international work environment, and a competitive compensate packages. So it is a very good opportunity for you. So you can see the qualification, that is a recent graduate in one of the following engineering majors like mechanical, electrical, industrial engineering, mechatronics engineering, or any relevant engineering degree or MBA degree with 0 to 2 years of experience is required. So friend, let's check how you can apply for the job opportunity. So friend, for applying any job opportunity, on the top right corner you can see apply now button is given. You have to click on it. So once you click friend, then this type of page will come. Then you have to create your account. So you have to click on this create account. Once you click, then this type of page will come. Then you have to provide your email address. Then you have to create one password according to the terms and condition given on the top. Then you have to create your account. So once your account is created, then you have to simply log in and complete the application process. And friend, if you have any doubt regarding this job opportunity, or if you want us give us any suggestion, please comment in the video so that we can work on and improve it. And friend, please subscribe mechanical stream. Thank you.